Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, you need to open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and access it in the background. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, click on this button with 3 lines. Then click on the icon of your app and select Open in Pop-up View from the list. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. If you wish to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To resize your window, hold one of its corners. And when you find the perfect size, let go. To turn your app into a bubble, click on Home button. Then, to access it, tap on the bubble. You can even use your window, overlay the other app by hitting the other one and using both. To go back, click on Home button. If you wish to close your window, you can turn it into a bubble and drag your bubble to remove section at the bottom, or you can click on this line at the top and select X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!